and welcome to another KFH 2019 video. I wanted to do this review because I've been looking for a really good travel guitar that didn't cost a lot of money, and I just couldn't find any good reviews out there really. There was a lot of kind of marketing stuff, but not a lot of just someone as a beginner who, let's be honest, is going to want to buy one of these guitars, just telling you what I thought about it. So this is the Tanglewood, and it's the Orchestra type body, and it's the no frills, bottom of the line, £99 guitar. It's made out of all mahogany, plywood, the solid mahogany neck, and it's got one of these new Techwood fingerboards, which honestly looks absolutely fine to me. I can't see anything wrong with it. You can see in the pictures it's got this lovely whiskey barrel finish on it, and overall the fit, finish and quality of the guitar is fantastic. I have been really impressed by this, and so I wanted to do a little review. It's not sponsored in any way with any of the things I mention in this video, and I just want to kind of take you through all the different parts and the things that I found really amazing about it, so that you can make an informed decision yourself about what you think about this guitar. So without further ado, I'm going to let you see what it sounds like straight out the box. So, that was an absolutely wonderful sound, I think you'll agree. I just hope the microphone does it justice, because it resonates beautifully. There's a few parts here I've singled out, and just to let you see close up, and you've got these nice little plastic bridge pins which are finished nicely, no big flash marks or anything. Nice ABS nut and bridge piece, and then a nice slightly kind of yellowish tinge, but it looks black when it's not under light bridge, and I really like it. It's got a nice grain. The whole guitar's got this very open grain, which is really nice. You've got the inlay around the sound hole, which is very subtle but equally very nice. I really like the colours in it, and the silkscreen Tanglewood logo, which I think is fantastic. So there's a picture on the left just to show you the real kind of open grain, like what I was talking about, and it really does feel like a whiskey barrel that's been burnt. Which is awesome. I mean, this is called the Crossroads. It's meant to kind of reflect American blues guitars of the 30s, and it really does. It's got that twang, it's got that simplicity with no pick guard and no binding, and it really just feels like a no frills awesome little guitar. So we've also got the frets shown there, and I mean they're nicely finished. There's absolutely nothing needing done with this. If you remember with the Epiphone, I actually had to do a bit of fret dressing and stuff. There's nothing to be done on this guitar. It's ready to play. The strings are even good quality out the box. I didn't even bother changing them. I'm just really impressed. Right, so then we move on to this image, which I think is just lovely. I really like the font here. I really like the way it's been put on the back of the headstock, and it's nice to see United Kingdom on something. These guitars aren't made in the UK, but it is a United Kingdom company, so I'm quite happy that I am also supporting local as I live in the United Kingdom, as well as getting an awesome guitar. I really like this shot. I think this shot sums up the finish and beauty and simplicity of this guitar. I mean, just look at those colours, look at the grain, look at that little coloured ring pop, and look at all the fit and finish of the parts. It's just amazing what you can get for £99, and this is going to be an excellent travel guitar. Finally, I bought the thing from Gear for Music, again not sponsored, but I just wanted to point out I got this lovely little travel bag for it, and it's really nice actually. So it's got padded backs and it fits the guitar beautifully, so something to bear in mind if you want to go gigging. And now finally, I'll play you out with a song. Great Slave. 1898, and I rode near all my life on a ranch near Devil's Gate, and I've seen this world about me. Bend down, flip and change, it feels like a rain. That's a thundercloud. But I've been called a coward, but I've seen to the walls, and I lost my son Virgin in Corey and the wall. Emma Lucy died last summer. You asked me if I cried, hell, I'll show you tears all over this ground. They're falling from these blue-out butter skies. We're gonna ride forever. Can't keep horsemen in a cage. Should the angels come, well, it's only then. No windfall in the rain. So I say to all you old men, don't let yourselves get broke. If you think the world's gone crazy and it's scratching at your throat, it's time to dust off that old saddle. Got it on a horse, kick up your spurs. We're gonna run like Sting. We're gonna tear across this blue-out butter sky. We're gonna ride forever. Can't keep horsemen in a cage. Should the angels come, well, it's only then. Oh, we'll pull in the rain. Oh, we're gonna ride forever. Can't keep horsemen in a cage. Should the angels come, well, it's only then. No, we'll pull in the rain. Now they tell me I'm an old man. They tell me I am blind. No, they took my driver's license. How safe I'll be high. And I said, jump back, all you big suits. You got something wrong, 'cause I ain't gone. No, I ain't gone. I am still breathing, and I still have my pride, and I have my memory. Your life will never die. Like the wind that blows in thunder, like a stallion on the fly. I got it on, now I'm standing tall underneath this blue-out butter sky. Oh,